I turned an empty, wasted closet into serious storage using smart, DIY-friendly organization ideas. Everything in this video is about maximizing space, keeping things accessible, and using materials and tools that are easy to work with. I made individual how-to videos for most of these, so check those out if you want to explore an individual idea further, but let's get right into it. My first upgrade was the DIY Tote Rack. It instantly unlocks vertical storage. Instead of stacking bins and digging through them, this setup lets each tote slide in and out individually. It's a simple build using basic lumber and screws, but it dramatically improves accessibility. This is perfect for seasonal items, tools, or bulk household storage, and it keeps the floor completely clear. I customized mine a little bit with added shelf on top and then added OSB to the side. This allows me to add hooks or secure other items to it later for more space-saving opportunities. Next up are the OSB Shelves, which are a budget-friendly alternative to plywood. OSB is strong, readily available, and perfect for storage spaces where looks aren't the priority. These shelves add a ton of load capacity for boxes, supplies, and bins without breaking the budget. I made mine specifically to hold these dollies, which I just didn't have anything to do with, but once installed, they create a solid backbone for organizing the entire storage closet. For heavy items like deep freezers, mobility is key. Adding a low-profile dolly underneath allows you to move heavy appliances or heavy items easily for cleaning, maintenance, or access to outlets. Instead of committing to a permanent position, this keeps things flexible while protecting the floor and your back. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. I can open the lid to the freezer most of the way, so it shouldn't be an issue 90% of the time, but for when I need to open it for larger things, I can simply pull it out and do so. Retractable extension cords are one of those upgrades you don't realize you need until you use them. Mounted to the wall or ceiling, they keep cords off the floor and eliminate clutter. I don't know about you, but rolling extension cords is always just one of the biggest pains. But here you always have power where you need it, and when you're done, the cord retracts cleanly out of the way. It's perfect for closets that double as utility or project spaces. Removing traditional door stoppers might seem minor, but replacing them with magnetic door latches cleans up the space and prevents damage. Magnetic latches keep doors securely closed without protruding hardware, which is especially helpful in tight storage areas. It's a small change that improves both function and durability. The wall control pegboard takes unused wall space and turns it into a fully customizable storage. Unlike standard pegboard, this system is sturdier and allows you to rearrange hooks and accessories as your needs change. It's ideal for tools, accessories, and frequently used items you want visible and within reach. You can secure it to studs or directly to drywall. And you can buy a variety of hooks or accessories or shelves to go with it to really customize it how you want. Heavy-duty hooks are perfect for hanging bulky or awkward items like ladders, cords, bags, or outdoor gear. Mounting these on studs or wall panels gets large items off the floor and keeps them organized. This not only saves space, but it also makes everything easier to grab when you need it. And most of the hook packs come with these Velcro straps. They're great for extension cords, air hoses, or anything else you need to wrap up. So if you're in the market for some heavy-duty hooks, don't overlook the packs that come with the Velcro straps. To finish it off, I built custom cubbies using a single piece of common board, simple materials that are easy to cut and assemble. The cubbies are great for smaller items, bins, or gear that doesn't fit well on shelves, and again, just sticking with the theme of bringing things off the floor and utilizing your dead space. And the best part is they're fully customizable to fit the exact size of the space, making every inch count. But from an empty closet to a fully functional storage, these upgrades show how smart planning and simple DIY projects can go. If you're trying to reclaim space and stay organized, pick a few of these ideas and build out from there. Hope this was helpful. Please reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a great day.